In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an accountant from QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop on your computer and sign in using the admin account. This is important because only the admin user has permission to manage other users and make account access changes. If you are logged in under a different user profile, you may not see the options needed for this process, so make sure you begin with the correct login. Once you're inside QuickBooks, look at the top menu bar and click on Company. This menu contains several company-related settings, including the tools used to manage users and their access permissions. Taking the correct path here helps ensure you're editing the right account settings and not changing anything else by mistake. From the Company menu, select Users and then choose Set up Users and Roles. This will open the area where QuickBooks lists all existing users and shows what level of access each one has. If you're managing access for someone who no longer needs to work in the file, this is the section you'll use to remove them properly. When the Users and Roles window appears, stay in the User List tab. Here, you'll see the list of users currently associated with the company file. Carefully select the accountant user you want to remove. Before clicking anything, take a moment to confirm that you've chosen the correct user, especially if there are multiple profiles with similar names or roles. This helps avoid accidentally removing access for the wrong person. After selecting the correct accountant user, click Delete. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the user. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. This step finalizes the removal and prevents that user from continuing to access the company file through their existing login. Once the user has been removed, click Close to exit the Users and Roles window. At that point, the process is complete. As a helpful reminder, removing a user does not erase your company data. It simply removes that person's access to the QuickBooks file. If you are updating permissions as part of a security review, it's also a good idea to double-check the remaining users in the list to make sure everyone still has the appropriate level of access. And that's how to remove an accountant from QuickBooks Desktop. Thanks for watching.